In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your shift key stops working on your Windows 11 computer. So the first thing we're going to do is actually launch up the on-screen keyboard by coming over to our start menu and searching for settings, and then head over to the settings tab. From the left, we need to come inside of accessibility and then scroll down till you find the keyboard and select this. And if we scroll all the way down this page, you'll see on-screen keyboard. So we just need to turn this on by toggling this button here. And this is going to bring up the on-screen keyboard. And what you need to do here is just press the shift key from here to make sure the key is actually working. Now, if it's working from here, this could actually indicate an issue with your hardware rather than the software. However, if the issue does repeat itself on this on-screen keyboard, then there's just a few options that we'll need to change. So if we just head out of this window and we're just going to scroll back up to this window, and you'll see these options here for sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. We just need to turn all of these three options off. And then from the left hand side, we're also going to come down to Windows Update and press this check for updates button just to ensure we're running the latest version of Windows, as some users have reported this working for them. So once you've installed any pending updates inside of here, we can close out of this window. And the next thing you'll need to do is head over to your start menu, search for control panel, and then head over to the control panel window. Make sure view by up here is set to category, and then come inside of ease of access and select this ease of access center here. Scroll all the way down to this section where it says make the keyboard easier to use, and then what we're going to do inside of this window is just toggle all of these options on. So you're going to turn on this top option here, turn on the mouse keys, turn on sticky keys, turn on toggle keys, and also turn on filter keys, and then press apply to save these changes. Then all you simply need to do is go back through these options and toggle them all to off. And this is just going to reset all of the options, and once again press apply and press OK to save the changes. Now you can check to see if that's fixed the issue, but if that's still not working, then we have one more solution for you. So the last thing we can do is head back over to the start menu, search for device manager, and then head over to the device manager panel. Inside of here, we need to come down to keyboard and expand this list, and you just need to locate your keyboard device from these options, and then we're going to go ahead and right click on our keyboard, select update driver, and then press search automatically for drivers. Now once you've ensured you're running the latest driver on your device, we can close out of this, and the very last thing we're going to do is right click again on your keyboard, come into uninstall device, and press uninstall to confirm. Then we're simply going to reinstall our keyboard to our device by coming over to action and selecting scan for hardware changes. You can also restart your computer, and that will reinstall the driver for you. And once you've finished these steps, that should have now fixed the shift key not working on your PC. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.